As the situation continues to be tense in Golaghat district of Assam, in the midst of a curfew, police barricades, bandh and protests, the centre intensified its efforts to defuse the crisis. Minister of State for Home Kiren Rijiju held a meeting in Guwahati with Assam and Nagaland chief ministers, where it was decided that a joint mechanism would be worked out to diffuse recurring tension along the border between the two states.
Whatever steps is required from the Minister of Home Affairs, Government of India's side, we should do whatever possible to ensure peace and tranquility along the border areas.
Besides the two chief ministers, Tarun Gogoi and T.R. Zeliang, the meeting was also attended by top officials of both the states. They decided that senior officials from both the states will meet frequently at a designated place so that no lapses occur in future. The two states also agreed that protesters will not be allowed to impose an economic blockade. Protesters in Assam have been blocking national highways leading to Nagaland in an attempt to cut off supplies. Rijiju said that the centre is looking to deploy more CRPF personnel along the disputed Assam-Nagaland border. On allegations of partisan role of the CRPF during the recent trouble at Uriam Ghat border, he promised action against the erring personnel. After the meeting, both the chief ministers emphasized on the need to normalize the situation along the tense border.
We will try our level best to settle as early as possible. Border dispute today priority is to restore normalcy. That's why I'm saying that border dispute will take time.
We have had fruitful discussion, and both sides we have agreed that we'll contain the situation, put the situation under control on both sides.
With tension escalating along the disputed border, the centre stepped in earlier, with the Prime Minister seeking a report from the Home Ministry on the situation. The Home Ministry submitted a report to the PM and has deployed 1,000 paramilitary personnel along the border. Home Minister Rajnath Singh spoke with Assam Chief Minister Tarun Gogoi on the latest ground situation and asked him to take steps to de-escalate the tension. Meanwhile, the 12-hour Assam Bandh called on Thursday by the opposition, Assam Gan Parishad and the Assam Tea Tribe Students Association to protest against Wednesday's police firing in Golaghat, in which 3 persons were killed, affected normal life across the state, even as protesters defied curfew orders to come out on the streets and demanded an inquiry into the recent killings.
यहाँ सारी जनता की असुविधाएं है, इसके ऊपर में सरकार की कोई नजर नहीं है। सरकार कोई दृष्टि से जनता की क्या मांग है उसको नहीं चाहते हैं, वो अपने गद्दी बचाने में व्यस्त है, इसलिए सारा जनता भड़क उठी है.
The police is investigating the possible role of anti-social elements in the violence.
We have started inquiry. We have taken up the case, the incitement by the vested interest groups that will also be identified.
Political parties have appealed for calm along the disputed border.
हम आशा करेंगे कि असम और नागालैंड के बीच में जो स्थिति है बॉर्डर पे वो जल्दी से ठीक हो जाए, शांत हो जाए. प्रधानमंत्री कार्यालय ने और गृह मंत्रालय ने इस पर तुरंत नोट किया और जो निर्णय लेने हैं, जो मदद करनी है वहां राज्य सरकार की, वो मदद दी जाएगी.
वहां पर जो घटनाएं हुई हैं और निर्दोष लोगों के ऊपर आर्म्ड पुलिस द्वारा या ऐसे जो कर्मी हैं जिनके पास बहुत ही लीथल वेपन्स रहते हैं, उनके द्वारा उनके ऊपर आक्रमण नहीं होना चाहिए. अगर कहीं पर कोई मसला है तो असम और नागालैंड की सरकार को बैठ के उसको सुलझा लेना चाहिए.
With no reports of fresh clashes in the area, the situation may well have been brought under control for now. But given the volatility in the area in the recent past, all sides will have to guard against any measure of complacency besides working on an early settlement of the long-standing boundary dispute. Newsnight Desk, DD News.